This recipe is for all the Dutch oven lovers out there. We are gonna make one of my family's favorite dish. It's a rice chicken bake. It's super easy to make, so let's dive right into it. So the first step we're gonna do, we have 4 chicken thighs. So we're gonna trim up the fat. This recipe's great. It'll feed up to 4 to 6 people. We're cooking in a 10-inch Dutch oven right now, but you could easily cook this in any size that you want. All right, the next step after your chicken's all trimmed up, we have flour and veggie, the campchef veggie seasoning in here. So we're just gonna throw them in the bag and just give it a good coat. Just like that, you're ready to cook. So we're gonna put a little oil in the skillet and then we're gonna brown up the chicken. Okay, now that the oil's hot, we're gonna put the chicken right on the oil. So we're cooking on a medium heat. You don't wanna cook them all the way through. We're just looking for a nice crispy outside of the chicken. All right, now that they're all crispy, we're gonna pull them up. You're gonna wanna keep these warm, so if you have tin foil, you can wrap them up. That way they don't dry out or cool off too much. Before we came, I prepped everything. I got all the veggies all prepped and measured. That way we could just start cooking. You're gonna wanna coat the bottom and the sides. This recipe does need butter in it, so if you coat it, that's a good way just to get the butter in there. First step is we're gonna saute the onions just a little bit. We don't wanna cook them all the way, but we're just gonna throw that in here, and that's 1 onion. Now we're gonna throw in 3 sticks of chopped celery, 1 chopped green pepper we're gonna throw in here. We don't wanna overcook it, we just want it to be a little bit crispy. That way it'll render out in the Dutch oven. Now we're gonna mix in the prime ingredients. We're gonna put 1 cup of rice in here, 2 cups of chicken stock, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup in here, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, and 1 8-ounce can of sour cream. And then give that guy a good mix. You wanna make sure everything's perfectly mixed. Put a little tad of Worcestershire sauce in there. Okay, and now we're gonna season it with some campchef veggie seasoning. Yep, okay, and then give that guy a good stir. Chicken's already seasoned with it, but gotta season the rice too. We're gonna throw the chicken on here. Okay, and we're gonna just put these right on top. It's kind of funny, if they are skinless, they sink, but if they have skin on them, they don't sink. So this is a 10-inch Dutch oven. We wanna cook it at 350 degrees. We're gonna put 5 briquettes on the bottom and 11 on top. Okay, now that the charcoal's there and it's cooking, every 8 to 10 minutes, you're gonna wanna rotate the lid and the Dutch oven in different directions. That way it cooks evenly. Oh yeah. All right, looks like it's done. Let's dig into it. This smells so good. Wow, that veggie seasoning's good. All right, guys, you gotta give this a try. When you go camping, make sure you bring a Dutch oven. I don't think you'll be disappointed.